What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be showcasing the Racing 6-panel camo hat from Supreme that released last week, and we finally got it here. This item is really cool. It has a lot of cool details, so I cannot wait to showcase this for you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe for more here at Jack's Kicks. I got you guys covered. Follow my main channel as well, Jack's Gaming. Link for all that stuff will be in the description down below. But anyways, let's get right into it, starting off with the sticker that we get. So here is the sticker that you get. Look at that, that's sick. That is one nice sticker that we get for this week from, or last week I should say, from Supreme. And here's the hat, guys. Look at that, man. Got the camo colorway. I think that this is the best colorway. This is the only colorway that's sold out too. So yeah, this one sold out pretty quickly too. Like, and I'd say in about 10 minutes it's sold out. So yeah, luckily I was able to get it. And if you guys were able to get it, let me know. And let me know if you guys weren't able to get it and you guys plan on getting it now. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. But really cool. One size fits all. All right, guys, so here we are gonna take it out the wrapping here. Here it is, guys. Look at the hat. Wow. So here's the inside off rip. Let's look at the inside. And here's the back with all the embroidery. Look at the embroidery, man. All the patches, which is really nice. Like, the patches with the camo is what really makes this hat pop. And just, it's like, it's a subtle pop, you know? Really nice stuff here. And I do have an unboxing of the newest Cactus Jacks, the Jumpman Jacks coming out. And that color right there reminded me of them. So I will have an unboxing for those in the coming days, so stay tuned. But look at that. All the embroidered logos and patches on it. Really good detail, as you guys can see. The back of it. Here's the top as well. So yeah, like I said, I think that this is the best colorway, because all the patches just match perfectly with this colorway compared to other ones. The other colorways, the solid colors, it just made it look empty. I don't know why. And then there's just patches all over. It kind of looked a little bit weird, but this fits perfectly with all the design on it. All right, guys, so here we have it. I just adjusted it. So let's go ahead and throw it on the head, man. And here we have it, guys. Wow, I like this thing, man. Probably can adjust it. I think I adjusted it a little bit too big on the back, but we will get that fixed up and sorted out as I wear it more. But here's a look at it, guys. Let me know what you guys think, man. I actually really like the way this thing looks. Got all the embroidered on it as well. Yeah, this thing is sick. Here's the back of it as well, again, for you guys. Wow. I really like this hat. This hat really is nice in hand, guys, with the camo as well. So let me know, did you guys get any other colorway? Did you guys get all the colorways, or are you guys just picking up one? Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I really like the look of this thing, man. This might be my favorite hat so far that I have from Supreme. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I like the logo as well on it. Really nice stuff. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Pretty short video. Just wanted to showcase what it looks like on the head and stuff like that. But overall, looks really, really clean. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Looks really nice. That is on the back. So yeah, I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for more. We got some more unboxings coming up very, very soon. And yeah, I think I might even wear this hat on the next unboxing, man. This hat is so nice. Wow, this hat is really good. Hold on, we got to take a look at it again. Look at the embroidery. Look at that. This is like some premium embroidery right here, guys. Look at that. There's the back. The Supreme logo on the back right there. And that's so cool, like the nice hint, like the nice red hint of the, you know, the Supreme logo. That's really nice. It's kind of low key, but at the same time, it sticks out, you know what I'm saying? Supreme there, look at that. Perfect. Wow, this is a fire hat. Dang. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for more unboxings. I got you guys covered. I'll see you guys on the next one. Signing out. Peace.